Phil Simmons is a Trinidadian cricket coach and former player who is currently a coach of the Bangladesh national cricket team. Simmons' first home was in Arima, Trinidad, a few miles outside Port of Spain. He lived just two doors down from Larry Gomes, a former West Indian batsman. He proved to be adept at a number of sports but excelled at cricket and was soon playing for the regional side East Zone. He played international cricket for the West Indies from 1987 to 1999 as an opening batsman and right-arm medium pace bowler. He excelled in the One-Day International ODI format and represented the West Indies at 3 World Cups. Like many before him, Simmons found the transition to Test cricket difficult, making only one century in his Test career, 110 at Melbourne, during the West Indies 1992-93 tour of Australia, and finishing his career in 1997 with a batting average of just 22.26 in 26 matches. Simmons proved more adept at the international one-day game, playing a total of 143 ODI matches between 1987 and 1999. Starting his ODI career at the 1987 World Cup, he made 2 half-centuries, 50 against Pakistan and 89 against Sri Lanka. At the 1992 edition, he played 4 matches including scoring 110 versus Sri Lanka. In December 1992, during the 8th match of the World Series Cup in Australia, Simmons won the Man of the Match award for his match-winning spell of 10 overs, 8 maidens, 3 runs, 4 wickets with an economy of 0.30 against Pakistan. With this, Simmons holds the world record for most economical bowling performance in terms of the fewest runs conceded in an ODI among those who completed their maximum quota of overs, 10 overs in a 50-over match. At Sharjah's Champions Trophy 3 Series the following year, he was named Player of the Series. He scored 3 half-centuries and a total of 330 runs for the series. Simmons' playing days came to a close in 2002. He then embarked on a coaching career, firstly working at Zimbabwe's Harare-based academy. Simmons then succeeded Adrian Birrell as coach of the Ireland national cricket team after the 2007 World Cup. During this tenure, Ireland won a number of trophies and qualified for every major ICC event. He also steered them to victories over England at the 2011 World Cup, along with the West Indies and Zimbabwe at the 2015 Cricket World Cup. Simmons was at the helm with Ireland for over 224 matches, making him the longest-serving coach in international matches. In March 2015, he accepted an offer to take charge as head coach of his native West Indies. In 2016, he led the West Indies team to a historic second T20 World Cup victory in India. At the time, the former top-ranking cricket team was in a period of significant struggles, and he was tasked with bringing the team from near the bottoms of the top 10 rankings and back into prominence. The Pakistan Super League PSL franchisee Karachi Kings appointed him as the team lead head coach in 2023. On 15 October 2024, Simmons was appointed as the coach of the Bangladesh men's national cricket team. He was given a short-term contract that extends until the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy.